Poulan 42cc chainsaw won't start. I have replaced all components. Has spark, fresh gas, good compression, new air filter and new gas filter. Will not even flicker. Why?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Poulan chainsaw? How old is it?
It is about 6 years old. Use intermittently and sits a lot. Not maintained all that well until just now.
How long has this been going on with your Poulan chainsaw? What have you tried so far?
Since trying to start late last year. Replaced all obvious components. Gas cap, all filters, carb, fresh gas, spark plug and all gas hoses to and from the tank.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
That should be all.
Greetings, my name is have over 25 years experience in the small engine and power equipment service industry. I currently own and operate a dealership for many brands including warranty service for Briggs & Stratton, Kohler, Honda and many others. I would be happy to assist you to solve your small engine related issues. If you receive a phone call request, just know this is an automated system from JustAnswer's try to get you quicker service. You can ignore this message and continue in chat/email for support. If any time you wish to add a phone call request, you can do so later. Sorry to hear you are having issues getting your Poulan to run. Can I ask what compression reading you are getting with your compression test? Regards, Greg.
140 pounds per square inch after 5 pulls of the rope.
Okay, 140 is a good start. After you try to start it, if you remove the plug, is it wet or dry?
Let's just try chat. It is wet.
Sorry about that, it's an automated system from the server to help get you answers quicker. I wish I could turn it off. Have you checked the spark with a spark tester or just the spark plug? What brand and part number of plug are you using?
No, just visually checked spark. Let me check brand and plug. Will take a minute or two.
Okay.
Only marking is L70. The plug came with a carb and tune-up kit. The tune-up kit was from Highmore.
First off, I'd get rid of that plug. Go with a brand name NGK, work the best in 2-stroke. You should be looking for a BMPR7A torch brand. Plugs are crap. Next you will need to clear out the fuel, pull it a few times with no plug in to get it cleaned out. Then next time you start it with the new plug, try no choke for a few pulls. It is probably badly flooded. If this continues to flood, then your carb may have an improper setting on the metering needle lever. Do use those no-name check parts. They will cause more grief than they are worth. Get onto your local parts store or dealer and get a quality spark plug. Also, your carb could be giving you issues if it was an aftermarket replacement. Let me know how you make out with a new plug.
Okay. Thanks. I will take all those steps and give it a try.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.